Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is algebraic expression and the identities. So yesterday we have already started the exercise 9.5 and we have already completed the questions up to question number 3. So today we will start with question number 4, and the first part is, in question number 4 we are supposed to simplify the given algebraic expressions and the first part is given there, and that is a square minus b square whole square. So we know the identity, and that identity is a minus b whole square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are supposed to use that identity because that resembles with the question given. So in place of capital A there is small a square, and in place of capital B there is small b square. So we are supposed to substitute. Then we can write a square minus b square, that is whole square. Now we have substituted the value of a and b on the left hand side. So now we are supposed to substitute on the right hand side as well. So in place of a there will be a square whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square whole square. So the answer will be a square square means we are supposed to add the powers here. 2 plus 2 4 means a raised to power 4 minus 2 a square b square. Here we are not supposed to add because these are the different variables. A and b are the different variables. Here again we are supposed to add the powers, and that becomes b raised to power 4. So like this we are supposed to proceed the question. Now we can discuss the next part as well. Part second, that is 2x plus 5 square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So this we can solve by two methods. First method is we are supposed to open that using the identity a plus b whole square. So that becomes 2x square plus 2 into 2x into 5 2ab plus b square, that is 25, and then minus. Then again we are supposed to apply the same formula for that as we have used in the previous part, a minus b whole square, that is a square, and then minus 2 into 5 into 2x plus 25 means 5 square. So again 2x whole square means 2 square as well as x square. So 2 to the 4x square, and here 2 to the 4 5 the 20x plus 25 minus here 4x square. Minus sign before the bracket will change all the inner signs. The negative will become positive and the positive will become negative. So here 5 to the 10 10 to the 20, that is minus, and this minus will make it plus 20 x and minus 25. So here 25 being cancelled out and 4x square also cancelled out. So the remaining is only 20x plus 20x, that is 40x. That is the answer. That is the one method. Now we are supposed to use the second method for that. Again we are supposed to write the question. So here we can see that this is written in the form of a square minus b square. We can use the identity because we know that identity which identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, in place of a here, that is whole, in place of b, that is whole. So, we are supposed to substitute that 2x plus 5 square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Now, we have substituted the values of a and b on the left hand side. So, we are supposed to substitute on the right hand side as well. In place of a, we will write 2x plus 5, in place of b 2x minus 5, again 2x plus 5 minus, minus means it will change the signs here, 2x will become minus and 3x that 5 will become plus. So, here now 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square will become. So, here 5 cancelled out, here 2x cancelled out. So, here 2x plus 2x 4x into 5 plus 5 10, and the answer is 40x. So, from both the methods we are getting the same answer. Whichever method you are finding easier, so you can use that method to attempt such type of questions. After this, now the 7 parts are there in this question. So, you are advised to try the remaining parts of this question, and after that we are supposed to discuss the questions given next, and which is question number 5. Now, in question number 5 we are supposed to show and the first part is three x plus 7 whole square minus 84x, and that is equals to 3x minus 7 whole square. We are supposed to show. Now, the two sides we are having left hand side and right hand side, we are supposed to solve both the side at the same time. So, here a plus b. So, we know the identity, which identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That identity we are supposed to use here to expand that bracket. So, a square means 3x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 7 plus b square means 7 square, and minus 84 is 84x is given here, and equals to, if minus sign is there then it will become minus. So, 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. So, from here we can see that 3x square cancelled out and 7 square is cancelled out. So, here we can see that 3 to 6, 6 7 ja 42x minus 84x is equals to, here minus 7 3 are 21, 21 2 are 42x. So, from here both are having the different sign. So, if we solve that, that will be minus 42x and here minus 42x. From here we got left hand side is equals to right hand side. Both the sides are same. So now this is verified. So like this we are supposed to proceed this question, and now we will discuss the fifth part, because many parts are there in this question. So the fifth part is fifth one, that is a minus b into a plus b plus b minus c into b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a, and that will be equals to 0 we are supposed to show. So here we are supposed to use the identity a plus b, a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So here we can apply here, so it will become a square minus b square, and if we apply here b minus c, b plus c means b square minus c square, and again we are supposed to apply here, that will become c square minus a square, and that is 0. So on the left hand side we can see that a square will cancel out minus a square, and b square will cancel out minus b square, and at the same time c square will cancel out minus c square. So on the left hand side as well we got 0, and on the right hand side also 0. So here we can write left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence proved or hence verified. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this chapter. So first of all you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have discussed today in this video, and afterwards you are supposed to attempt the remaining parts of these questions. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. At the same time, maybe you can face some of the problems or you can have some of the doubts. In that case, you are supposed to message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbooks. Thank you very much.